gone. Come on, search for him. Hey, that fellow is not here.
Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Let's go get him.
Boss, each and everyone in this area is our people only. They are ready to do anything for us. This is simple matter, boss.
Do whatever you want, but I need him alive. I'm not gonna spare anyone from his family.
That Thanga Pandi only helped him to escape.
What are you saying, bro? They have spoiled everything. But we have the control, yeah. We can handle anything.
Hey, you bloody!
Why you are hitting me? Show heroism to them. Again hitting me.
Hey, you idiotic nonsense! Hey, Solomon! I'll kill you very soon!
Thanga Pandi, you don't know about our boss. You have made a mistake.
Then why arresting him now? Why they are disturbing us? Boss,
Huh?
do you know where Kaka Kumar lives?
What? Kaka Kumara? Kaka. That Crow Kumar? Bro, see here. He just got into fight right now. And the fight is getting very bigger right now. If you call Kaka Kumara and Kika Kumara like that, and he will bring a big rock and put it in your head, ba. So, do what I say, huh? Where are you from? Go. Your bus came. Go, ba. Go.
Hey, luxury cars are coming in our area, yaar. Hey, what are you looking at? Go, man.
On this Oviya station. Hello.
Famous bro,
Tell me, Salama.
Kaka Kumar have been taken by police.
What are you saying?
That's what bro. I don't know what to do now. Should I come back to our village?
No. Don't come here. Problems will increase. You just stay there. I call you, then you come. Okay?
I don't know anybody in Madras bro.
Hey, Salama, do something and adjust. Okay?
He's talking about Kaka Kumar. Shall we ask about that? Sir?
Just a minute bro, I'll call you back.
Okay. You call later.
What did you ask?
I wanna meet Kaka Kumar, sir.
Kaka Kumar.
You are Kaka Kumar's man, right?
Yeah, I am Kaka Kumar's right hand. What's your problem? Tell me.
Actually, the problem is not for me. It's for my friend.
Your friend is not here?
She has come, sir. Kirti.
She looks like an untouched note, man. Hey, Salma, get a tight hold of her, man.
Are you Kaka Kumar's right hand?
Yes, ma'am. I am Kaka Kumar's right hand.
Oh,
Whatever the issue is, you can tell me. I can solve it for you.
you need to murder someone. Now, immediately. Don't worry about the money.
Hey, ma'am, don't shout. Just now, Kaka Kumar got arrested and the whole city is in... Whatever the matter is, tell me in silence.
I don't know how to whisper. This is the way I talk. Do it now. I can't able to tolerate his behavior.
It seems that it's a big deal for you, huh? Let's do one thing.
Okay.
Not here. We'll go somewhere else. You tell me. I'll come there, huh? Give me your phone number.
Note it down. 76999967.
Yeah,
Okay? Call me later.
Okay.
Bye.
I'll give you a missed call. Check it,
Bye.
huh?
Yeah.
Check it.
Right hand, sir.
Huh?
Please do something.
That's all okay. When you come tomorrow, get the money. Money, huh? What? That's very
Don't worry
important.
about it.
Yeah,
I'll
okay,
bring.
okay. Right.
Yeah.
Sir,
Did you call me, sir?
you only, sir. Is the auto free?
This is the first time somebody calling. An auto driver. I said, sir, you are the first person, sir. Come on, get in, sir. Where shall I drop you, sir?
Anna memory.
It's very near only, sir.
Can't go back to the village. What do I do now? Will I not get a place to stay in such a big city? Huh? This auto guy also looks like a very good man. Let me play a game with him. Sir,
Huh?
let's find a good tea shop and stop there.
Huh?
Let's have a tea first.
Okay, sir.
Bro, 2 cups of tea.
Sir, I don't want tea, sir.
Have it, sir. Take it, sir.
I don't want, sir.
Sir, I saw you smoking, right? Don't joke now. Have it, have it.
Bro, take the tea.
Yeah, I'll come.
Why this guy buying cigarette for me?
Yeah, take it.
Whether he's a good man or bad man? Sir, this vehicle is not getting started. Maybe some repair. If we are in a hurry, go in some other auto, sir.
No, I'm not in a hurry. First, let's get the vehicle to the workshop. Then I will go, huh?
Somebody has to tow this auto, sir.
I'll help you, sir. Why are you worried? Come.
Sir, whoever travel in my auto, they will speak only 2 words. When get in, they tell me to go. After reaching, they say stop. When they get inside my auto, they will act like so humble.
Why, sir?
They may afraid we will kidnap them. Sir, they will travel in our auto for half an hour. After they get down from auto, they will not have courtesy to say thanks. This is a modern world, sir. In that matter, you are so great, sir.
Sir, I'm going to spend half an hour with you. Why should I behave like a stranger when I'm there with you, huh? We should become like friends, right?
You have understood, sir. Annamale,
Yes, boss.
the auto is not getting started. Solve the problem.
Okay, I'll check
Sir,
it.
please be seated, sir.
Sit, sir.
No, sir. You first sit, sir.
No, you sit, sir. Yeah, the same screw. It's loose, see?
He's talking like a mechanic.
Okay, right?
Everything is fine.
What is the problem? How much?
Boss, it's a small problem. We can check it
Okay,
next
bro.
time.
Brother, you are a very peculiar customer to me. Okay, whom you are going to meet in the beach?
Who will I go to meet, sir? Our MGR and our Anna only.
What, brother? Carelessly you are talking about MJR and Anna.
What else will I say, sir? For people like me who've come from the village, only Anna and MGR can save me. Where else can I go, sir? I can't tell you, sir. The peace I get from going there, it's such a comfort. Sir,
Huh?
you won't believe me. Only after going there, I'll decide where am I going to stay in the city.
That means you don't know anybody in this city? Are you new to this place?
Yes, sir.
Did you look for a job here?
I can tell everything to you, sir. You seem like my elder brother. Job is not at all a problem, sir. For now, if I get a place to stay, it will be great, sir.
There is a way.
If there is a room to stay,
Don't worry. God will take care. He will solve all your problems.
Oh God, don't get me for a long pace, understand? Because I need it tomorrow, right? These financial issues and all until my sister marriage only. And then I will give you gold chain for you.
Come on, bro.
Hey man,
What, brother?
can you drop me in Coimbatore?
You just wait here. I will come in 5 minutes. Come on, bro. Bro, the water scarcity is too much here. You have to adjust for everything here. Understand? Small bro! Small bro!
He's teasing me every time. I'm gonna beat him.
Hey! Do you think you are a very tall person? You are just my knee size, man.
Even my smaller, I can able to see my foot. Can you able to see your foot?
Hey! Speak according to your right, man.
Don't talk too much. What's the matter? Tell me.
You are looking for a person to share your room, isn't it? I brought my brother to share your room, yeah.
Then why you bring your brother?
Hey, why I am bringing my brother here? He's my old roommate, bro. We will talk only like this. Hey, share with him, man.
Okay, he's having any biodata?
No need to apply for that, yeah.
Hey fool, I'm asking his biodata. That means full details.
Bro, have you got any details?
Mm-hmm.
You don't have any details.
Voter ID?
Have you got voter ID?
Bro, I don't have all that, bro.
He is not having that.
Okay, at least is he having any driving license?
Even me, I don't have any license to drive the vehicle, but I'm driving in the city. Now he reminding me about the license. Do you have that?
I'm just like you.
You don't have license also. Bro, please share with him. Hey, 10 years old friend for me. Please share the room with him. Hey, don't you remember when you're roaming like a beggar on the roadside? This is the same room I shared with you. In that time I asked you Aadhaar card. Did I ask driving license? Why are you doing like this?
No, sir.
Please wait,
I'll
bro.
leave you.
I'll give the RC book of my auto. Please share with him, yeah.
Oh, okay, that's not a matter.
Then what?
Brother, house owner expects some proof from him. Okay, I'll do for you. What's his native?
Madurai.
Where in Madurai?
Telkuma Sedi, sir.
Sir is too much for me. We are already friends, right? Just call me dude. That's enough for me.
Okay, dude.
Hey, monthly rent is 2000 rupees. You have to give your share before 5th. Alright? Can you understand?
Okay, sir. That and all, I'll give you my share of 1,000 rupees every month.
What? 1000 rupees? Your share is 2000 rupees. This room rent is 4000 rupees. Can you understand?
Sorry, I thought the rent is 2,000.
Too smart.
Okay,
Hey,
then
Auto.
Coming, brother. Small bro. My customer is waiting. I'm leaving now.
Ah.
My brother will give the advance as you need. Take it. I'll see you in the evening.
Okay.
Okay, brother. Two jaggeries packet. Totally how much?
It's 80 rupees.
So okay. This is only reasonable rates. It's affordable. Where is my money purse?
This auto guy has kept the advance very well.
Okay, come. Have a look.
Hello?
Myself, ma'am. I'm Kaka Kumar's right hand.
Right answer. I've been waiting for your call.
Where do I come?
Come to Leela Palace.
Okay.
Hey, stop! Hey! Hey! That's my bag! Please catch him! Hey! Stop! Sir, he stole my bag. Please catch him.
Hey, dude, stop! Hey, stop! Come here! Hey, stop, dude! Where is he? God. You got
Hey, you me.
He's playing with me, man. Good that nobody's seen me.
Hey, everyone come, please. Hey, stop. That's my bag. That's my hard work.
Come and get it from me.
right answer. Come.
Started drinking early in the morning.
Take your seat. What do you want to eat?
That's not required. Come to the topic. I have a lot of work to do.
I want to kill him. I'll come straight to the matter, sir.
Why is she being so violent?
He's a psycho, scoundrel, idiot. He's torturing me every day.
Torture means like eve teasing, rape. Is he doing something like that?
Not like that, sir. He's in love with me. 4 years. It's been 4 years. I can't tolerate him.
For 4 years, if he is loving the same girl, he should be really a good man, huh?
Sir, he's a local guy, sir. You'll never understand. I can't understand his language itself. Whenever I get to remember him, his language, his words, I can't handle him. When I see him, I'll smash his face. And with this beer bottle, I'll...
Stop, ma'am. Drink and talk properly.
That's a good idea. Do you know how he tortured me, huh? I can't even face my neighborhood. Everyone has been laughing at me. I can't even step out of my home. He insulted me in front of everyone in the temple. I have no issue in that banner, but he wrote a poem for me. You know how is that? Whenever I see God, I remember your face. You're my doll. When you don't live with me, I'll die in front of you. Love by Ravi. See, what nonsense is this? Not only that, sir. He didn't even leave the beauty parlor too. There is a banner and poem too. To my mother, you're the daughter-in-law. And there is no law to our love. You're the only one area beauty. Then why do you need extra beauty? Love by your one and only Ravi. Even after reading his poem, I can't believe I'm still alive. You know how I felt? I have taken short routes to avoid his poems. But you know what happened?
Hey, stop. Hey, one minute.
Hey, what happened?
Hey, please come back. Hey, not that. Please come back.
God, what he has done? To my sister, you're the sister-in-law. You're the fragrance to our family. Then why don't you do a favor to my family? Love by one and only Ravi and team. What the shit? Look at these faces. God.
Hey, what is this? He's advertising your sister-in-law.
Wait and see. Oh, it teared in my face.
Hey, Preeti.
See what I'm gonna do.
Huh?
How do you expect me to tolerate when he's doing all these shits?
Okay. What should I do for that?
You have to cut his hair.
What? Cut his hair.
No, you have to finish him.
Oh. Okay. If I have to attack such a desperate lover, it will be 4 lakh rupees, huh?
4 lakhs only, na?
No, it can be more than 4 lakhs also, but around it, huh?
Okay, tell me your account number. I'll transfer now itself.
No account number, only cash dealing.
Okay. I'll give it in cash. This will be 50,000, I think so. This is advance. Oh. Why can't I get high in this drink? Now I got high. This feels good. Please drop me at home.
Yeah, I can do that. Get up. Yeah, you only. Get up. Get up.
Hey, it's my phone.
Careful.
My bag.
Yeah.
Bag.
phone.
Leave that.
Hey, I'll take
Leave
it.
it. Leave it.
No.
No need. No
Phone with
need.
me, huh?
Beer. Beer.
It's
I
enough,
need
enough.
beer.
Come.
Beer.
No,
I
come.
want beer. I entered the bar through back gate. Now I'm getting out of the front gate. How is it? Nice
What is
catch.
this, ma'am? Where's the vehicle?
Actually, that's my car. Yeah, that's my car.
It's a
That's my-
bike key, ma'am.
Oh, I came in bike. So, where is my bike? Yeah, there it is. There's my bike. I'll drive. I'll drive.
You can't drive. Police
I don't
police will be
fear the
there.
police.
No, you can't drive. I'll drive.
I'll drive.
Don't you need to go home?
Saying
Listen
no.
to me.
You're so annoying.
Hey, our boss lover is going with some other guy, yaar. You see that?
Yeah. We have to convey this to our boss.
It is our only special news today. Come, let's go.
What about your Canada visa?
I'll be visiting Delhi next month regarding that.
Hey, Kitty.
Hey, your lover boy is coming.
Let him come. I have made a plan for him. Leave him. Today is his last meeting.
Kitty, tell me you have any problem here. I will solve it. Okay.
Nothing like that.
You're saying nobody is here. Even if nobody is here, our boss will lead the road. He's a specialist.
Yeah.
Kirti, will the visa be confirmed after going Delhi?
I'm really confused about it.
Hey, what dude? They are speaking about visa, Delhi.
Boss, she's looking for a visa to go to Delhi. Tell her you will get it for her.
Visa?
Hey, who will provide visa for Delhi? Don't be foolish.
You don't know all those details, yaar. We will say such things and we will enjoy this month. Wait.
Okay.
Boss, what are you thinking? Say her like you will definitely get the visa. Say it in confidence.
Shall I?
Say it to her, no?
Kitty, you need visa for Delhi, right? How many visa you want? Tell me. I will arrange it. Okay?
Hey, there is no chance.
Do you understand how dumb he is? Just wait. See what I'm gonna do to him. Can you get me a visa for Delhi?
How many visas you want?
Two visas.
Just
Boss,
two?
do you know why she is asking to? Don't you get it? It's for your honeymoon. Your time has started. Say okay, boss.
Kitty, just let me know your full details. I will arrange your visas with my guys. Okay?
Okay.
Hey, why still standing?
okay,
Go,
bye.
go, go,
Bye.
go.
Come on,
Call
bye.
that bloody
Let's go
bugger
and
who
take
arranges
some-
visa,
Bye.
huh?
You're gonna get me a visa for me. I have planned to get visa for you. Just wait for that.
The gold rate has reached 3,000 rupees per gram. Before describing the detailing, we'll see about today's price ranges.
You see,
In Chennai,
the gold
has
rate
reached
is increasing
3,000 per
every
gram,
day.
and the silver rate has reached
I
4
don't know
times
how
the
to do
previous
my
one.
sister marriage.
A gang of
It's
5
hard to
robbers
achieve it.
entered an alone home in Chennai, and they stole 4 kgs of gold.
Everything will
Today,
change
2
one
of
day.
them get caught by the police, and the police department has arranged a separate team in search of rest of the 3 robbers. Then we'll see
We are in danger. The opposite group has found out we are in Delhi.
What are you saying, bro?
Yes, we get caught, we will be killed.
I'm afraid, bro.
Don't worry, I will take care of it.
Okay, bro. Be careful, bro.
Try to come here as soon as possible.
Okay, bro.
Come fast. Temple time is getting close.
Already I'm told you, you didn't listen to me.
Hey! Oh my God! My chain! My chain! Catch him! Catch him! My chain! My chain! Catch him!
Tim! Hey, catch him! Tim! Hey, stop! If you get caught, I will kill you! Hey, stop! Hey, stop! Hey, I'll kill you! Hey, come on! Hey, stop! Hey, stop! Hey!
What happened, boss? You seems to be worried. Hey, why can't you bring some liquor here?
We don't have
Why can't you buy?
money.
I don't have anything here. Ask him.
He didn't give me.
Give a little, boss.
First, let's get visas. After that, I will give you guys party.
What do you think? Visa is like a pizza or what? It will take at least 3 days.
He said very clearly. Then why you still sitting so sadly, boss?
Hey, more than our opponent Kali girlfriend, my girlfriend is more beautiful. That's the reason I'm following her for more than 5 years. I will never let her go away from me. Do you understand?
She is like a superstar, but he is like a dust from cosmos. Think about her status and where he is now. What's her education, what he has. Whatever it is, Kirti and our boss got connected together really. It is a great gift. Like first night, good night, God is great.
But one thing, if she comes to live here in future, then our area will be glittering like a lighthouse. Okay, boss. I have a small doubt.
What's your doubt?
In case, if we don't get a visa for Delhi, what will we do?
If not Kirti, we will go for Prithvi.
Hey, idiot, just shut your mouth. That's okay. Where will we get the visa?
Boss, don't you know? It's near in Vadapa in Barni Hospital.
What are you saying, dude? Near Vadapalli?
Yeah, boss. It will be available only there. Even America visa can be get earlier, but Delhi visa is too difficult to get. It will cost heavily.
Don't worry about the expenses. Boss will do anything and everything for her. Okay?
Somehow, with the God's grace, I am handovering the visa issue to you. Careful.
Boss, give me the advance first. I need to give it to a lot of people. Then only job will be done earlier. Then only you will know who we are.
That's it. Then a honeymoon for both of you. Hey.
Hey, sweetie! Hey, why you? Just to hear your voice, I'm waiting from since morning. Your WhatsApp messages didn't allow me to sleep, darling.
Hey, leave that, honey. What's the first thing you do when I attend the call?
You're talking about my
Hey,
poems?
shit! Don't play and blabber like an idiot. Hey, baby, that one.
So I Let me catch all your kisses. Your two eyes were like grapefruits. Your cheeks are like pomegranates. How is it?
Does my nose seem like Goa?
What I like in you.
Hey, if I come there, I'll trash your face. Do you know how long I'm waiting for you here, no? Where are you? When will you come?
How can I come here? My vehicle is stopped in the middle of the road. Try to start but not getting started. Wait, don't worry. I already called the mechanic. He's just coming over here. When it's ready, I'll come and pick up you. In between that, shall I tell you a poem? Your sharp nose is like here.
Shut up.
What? Shut up? No problem. I don't bother because you are my lover. Thank you, bro. Catch.
What cash?
Not that catch. This is different. Start with the bike in a single key. Ah.
Started right? Then come soon, baby.
How can I come? That person's taken my bike here.
That person? Which person?
Sir, my bike, sir.
Hello. Shit. Idiot.
Bro,
Huh?
can I leave my bike here?
Why not? Park inside the shop.
No, bro. The bike has run out of petrol. I have to go till the bunk to get it. Until then, can I?
Okay.
Okay, bro.
Hey kiddo, stop here. Petrol bunk is in a mile away. How do you go by walk and when will you return here? Huh? Here, take my scooty.
You are a lucky fellow.
Hey kiddo, how will you get petrol if you go empty-handed here? Here, take this bottle with you. Kiddo, I'll be able to go to lunch once you are back here. Okay?
Okay, bro. Let's go.
Ah.
We'll eat together once I come back. Huh? Bro, buddy, I'm calling you only. The owner's not there.
Stop it, I say.
Stop it, buddy.
I'm not saying about the scooter. Stop calling me as a buddy.
Big brother, I got mistaken. Can you call the owner?
Warner, keep this with you. He'll be back here shortly. I am the owner. Tell me what you want.
If you wear a suit, I should believe you, huh?
I am the owner, yaar. God promise.
Let it be. You are the owner. I don't have a problem with that. I need a second-hand two-wheeler.
Is it a male vehicle or female vehicle?
A vehicle like this.
For this kind of vehicle, it will take 22,000 rupees. For ready cash, 1,000 rupees can be reduced.
Bro,
Ah.
discount 2,000, bro. This is the vehicle. Keep it with you.
Okay.
How can I expect cash, check, or bank transfer?
Oh, you want to sell the vehicle, ah? You are coming like that, ah? You're using give and take policy at me.
Bro, you can take a ride, bro.
Let me check it out. It sounds so weird, no?
What is the problem? Do something, bro.
Vehicle condition is not good, yeah?
What?
What's the owner's name of this vehicle?
It's all in the owner's name only.
That I understand. Get me the RC book now. The girl's name is in vehicle. Shit, the vehicle is in girl's name.
Dude, what are you saying?
You are the one confusing, yeah? What is this? You are giving him a Xerox. Is it a stolen vehicle?
Hey, you're talking too much. What's the final price? You tell me.
At the best, I can only 5,000 rupees. That is the best. I will give you 5 minutes for you. Decide yourself and tell me. Okay? There are a lot of work for me to do here. You are wasting my time here.
If I wait even more, he will say 500. Let's get whatever he is giving and leave this place. Do this soon. Hello?
Boss, your sister on the phone.
Hey, you nonsense. Where are you, man? Are you trying to hide? Wherever you are doesn't even matter for me.
Sir, I have seen that person. Okay.
Okay, boss. I'll finish it.
Yeah, get it. Come.
Cheated us and roaming as a free bird here. Hey! Stop it, I say! Hey! Hey, don't play with me. If you come forward, I will let you live. Listen to me.
Where did he gone?
Shit. He wanted to get him first. Someone is
Come on, let's
also
go.
following. Boss,
What's going on there?
he has escaped, boss.
Now you come to Deni.
Okay, boss.
Who are you? Huh? Why are you trying to hit me, huh? Why are you following me?
Ravi has sent me. Go and ask him.
Ravi, huh? Who? That Bida Ravi?
Yeah.
Oh, that one, huh?
Just by hearing your name, he got pissed off, boss. That's why he is here to apologize.
Dude, go on put a mark on his face, dude. Then only he will listen our words, dude. Dude, can I put mark on his face?
Hey, what are you doing?
How that
Touching
will
my
happen?
back? Huh?
Why did you slap me? It's hurting.
That day you tried to hit me, I won't feel pain or what? Dude, what's your problem? Tell me.
Hey, like fish in the sea, our boss has followed the girl for about a year now. Even in visa matter, he is confirmed.
Dude, what's this fish, visa matter? What are you guys talking, huh?
Hey, you. You're my boss. That girl only everything to my boss. You know, past days you are roaming girl within a scooty. Her name only Kirti. Hereafter, if you're roaming again with that girl, last warning for you.
He'll kill you. Be careful.
I don't understand. Hey, dude, what's your problem, eh?
At last, you understood me. You should leave her for my sake, okay?
Hey, am I your broker or what's the matter here, huh?
Hey, Tutuzu. What you're talking? Don't talk rubbish about my sister, okay?
Now I understand what's the problem. But the matter here is, I don't love that girl till now.
Huh? What you're saying? You don't love her. Bring it. Super. Then what? He didn't love her. Problem
Scared of
solved.
me.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
buddy.
no
Bye-bye.
problem.
Let's go, dude.
Hey, stop, dude.
Hmm?
I am gonna propose to that girl just today only.
Hey, everything was going fine, no? You come forward and make an accident by yourself.
Okay, if I don't go there, it's good for you. What's there for me?
No issues. It's a small deal.
What's the dealing?
What, bro? You don't understand. What do you want? You just ask. My boss will do everything for you.
Is that so? I need 5 lakh rupees.
What? 5 lakhs?
Dude, what's this? Reacting like this? Look here, she's got beauty, she got brains, and then crores of rupees. Above all, she's the only child. If I leave all of this, who's gonna get this? You only, right? Look here, dude, I'm only asking 5 lakhs, but how much I'm gonna lose?
Boss, super dealing. Whatever it is, make it fast. Don't delay the dealing. It's best for the time.
Boss, we have wasted so many things cause of her. One last payment. We should settle 5 lakhs to him. Then only the problem will solve, boss. Boss, so many days we left home.
In this dealing, if you change anything in between, we will kill you. And our boss will not leave you alone.
I will kill you.
Okay, dude.
In 1 week, I will settle the amount. After that, you should never see her. Understood? Hey guys, come on, let's go. Yeah, tell me, bro.
Boss, the one who has bought 5 lakhs from us and told like you won't see Kirti, no?
Yeah, he told.
He's now going inside Kirti's house, boss.
What are you saying?
God promise, boss.
It's been 3 days since he tortured me. What did you do?
The treatment I gave him, he will not get up from his bed for 6 months.
I'll be a free bird now, na?
You can go anywhere. Go to the beach, go to the park, beauty parlor. Why? You can even cross the public toilet. He will not trouble you at all.
Super, sir. I'll be giving a big treat now. Thank you.
I don't need treat and all. But as we already spoke, if you can give me the rest of the money,
Okay.
I'll just take it and leave.
Okay.
One girl gave me advance to kill her boyfriend. Gotta go quickly to do that job. Give me.
Yeah, wow, great. All the best for your rowdy career. I'll bring you money. Take this.
Thanks, ma'am.
Happy now?
Happy.
Money.
Paisa. Dollar. Money. Money, paisa, dollar. Money.
Hey.
Dollar, paisa, money.
God, what did you say to me? You told he'd be not able to walk itself. But now, he's dancing. Are you cheating me? Give back my money.
Hey,
Give my money back. Give my money back.
Hey, dude, putting sketch to my bag. Now you say you can't escape from my blast plan.
Kitty, he has fixed the amount for you. Do you know that?
You have cheated me?
Sister, He said you love him very deeply. To avoid you, he put a deal 5 lakhs to my boss. Not that only. To murder my boss, he put a deal 5 lakhs with you. See how much cunning fellow he is, playing with both of you. So
Oh my
you
God.
played with both of them. Hey, you know about my boss? He know everything to catch you, man. That's my boss. How is it, boss?
Bloody nonsense.
Kitty, maybe I look like a fun guy, but originally I am a talented guy. See how I found his fraudulence, huh? Hey, tell her the truth.
Yes. I needed some money. That's why I did all this.
Kitty, if you want to hit him, you call me. I will be there for you.
You can slap with your slippers to my boss only, but you should not call him, okay?
Oh God, how dare you do that to me?
Kitty, within 2 days visas will come. But guys, am I right?
Yeah, it will ready.
Shit, you're a fraud and he's a psycho.
Is she saying me?
All of you leave my house immediately, or else I'll complain to the police that you tried to rape me.
Hey, don't you hear? Get out from here. Go, man. Hey, what you looking here? Can you give cup of tea?
I want boost.
I told to you as well, idiots. Just leave.
Me? Me also.
Get out!
Kitty,
I said go! Leave!
what to do with those visas?
Oh my God!
To get out of
Are
us.
these people nuts or what? God! Thank God I got my cash back.
Hey bro, why you late?
Yes, bro. I had some work. It seems you are going to your village?
Yeah man, morning 6 o'clock train. So that's why I'm getting early. Okay, you have to come 2 days before for my sister's marriage.
For sure, bro. And yes, what did you do for the money?
My boss gave me 1 lakh and my savings is 50,000. Then I arranged remaining 50,000. It's totally 2 lakhs. Anyway, now I'm so satisfied.
Hey, dude. She should be very happy to be a sister.
Okay, have to get early. Have to sleep.
Okay, bro.
He has been sleeping. Where he has gone? Solomon? 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 Where are you, man? It's look like a weird. Huh? My bag! Ah, my bag! My money! Solomon! My bag! Oh my god! Oh shit! My bag! Solomon! Oh, what have you done? Solomon! Oh shit! My money! Oh my god! Oh my god! My money! Oh god! my sister marriage. Oh my God.